Sponsored by
PhD, MPhil किसी भी विषय में डिप्लोमा के अनेक अवसर है RKTF यूनिवर्सिटी में एडमिशन्स ओपन।
The cash-strapped Pakistan has reached an agreement with the IMF for a substantial financial aid package of $7 billion, which will be disbursed over a period of more than 3 years. Notably, this agreement marks yet another effort by the struggling nation to tackle its persistent economic issues and stabilize its financial situation. To secure the new $7 billion IMF loan announced on Friday, Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif's government pushed through a set of unpopular measures, including record high taxes and higher energy prices. These steps were required to meet IMF conditions, which often led to public discontent. The new agreement is also Pakistan's 25th IMF program since independence and comes as the country faces $24 billion in loan repayments for the fiscal year that began on July 1st. Not surprisingly, Pakistan has moved from one IMF loan program to another amid a long-standing economic crisis, wrapping up its last $3 billion IMF program in April. Although inflation in Pakistan has eased from 28% in January, it remains the highest in Asia at over 12% as of the last month. According to the IMF, Pakistan will increase tax revenues by 1.5% of GDP in the current fiscal year and by 3% of GDP throughout the new 37-month plan. This plan includes bringing more income from the overall export and agricultural sectors into the tax system. Meanwhile, in what can be seen as Pakistan's over-enthusiasm, its Foreign Minister Mohammad Aurangzeb has said that the loan package is necessary to attract more foreign investment. Pakistani PM Shehbaz Sharif is reportedly also seeking funds from Gulf states, including Saudi Arabia and United Arab Emirates, and is pushing to launch the second phase of China-Pakistan's multi-billion economic corridor in the country. The deal was announced just 2 weeks after Pakistan approved a tax-laden budget for the 2024-25 fiscal year with the approval of the IMF. Building on the economic stability achieved under the 2023 standby arrangement, IMF staff and the Pakistani authorities have reached a staff-level agreement on a 37-month extended fund facility arrangement of about $7 billion. According to the IMF, the 37-month program aims to help Pakistan achieve economic stability and create a foundation for stronger and more inclusive growth. However, if Pakistan can implement its over-ambitious promises, only the days in the future will decide.